Good evening, friends. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayAstromoneyGuru.com. Welcome all of you to this special show on palm oil, that is the Agri Watch. So, friends, in this show, we will discuss about the commodities that includes palm oil, which is considered a very important vegetable oil commodity in the international markets as well as the domestic markets. So friends, if we consider the palm oil, then we can see that in the palm oil is the largest producers of palm oil are Malaysia and Indonesia, and since it is also traded in the domestic market in the name of crude palm oil, and on Friday's trading day, the crude palm oil closed at the level of 761.9 levels, approximately at the level of 762, and it was down by approximately 0.5% and by approximately 4.4 points in domestic market. That is the the crude palm oil in MCX. And also, if we consider the FTSE versus Malaysia Asian palm oil, that is considered as a Malaysian palm oil, and it was closed at the level of 16,713 level, and it was down by approximately 1.27% by around 215 points. And since it is the Malaysian palm oil levels, therefore it is uh, in the Malaysian ringgit, that is the Malaysian currency. So, according to me, and considering the parameters, including technicals and fundamental analysis, and considering the various news also. So, if we consider the palm oil, so according to me, it is expected to show some profit booking on Monday, that is the 7th September 2020. And if we precisely consider the crude palm oil, which is in the MCX, and it closed at the level of 761. And if we consider the weekly low and high of crude palm oil in MCX, then we can see that it made low at the level of 759, and it made high at the level of 778 on a weekly basis. And on the monthly basis, since there is only 1 week has been passed in September, therefore I am considering monthly basis as of the August month. So in the month of August, it made low at the level of 719.4 and made high at the level of 774.6, and it closed at the level of 761 in the last trading day on Friday. So according to me, the next expected levels on Monday, that is on 7th September, can be 756 and 747, and we can, to be uh, more secure, we can put stop loss at the level of 770. So I'm repeating my analysis on the crude palm oil on the MCX. It closed at the level of 761.9 and was down by approximately 0.5%. And the next expected levels which we can see on Monday, that is on the 7th September 2020, can be 756 and 747, and we can put stop loss at the level of 770. Now I will discuss about the Malaysian palm oil levels. So as I have already told that it closed at the level of 16,713 levels, and if we consider the weekly high and low, then it made low at the level of 16,635 and made high at the level of 17,025. And if we consider the August month low and high, then we can see that it made low at the level of 16,690 and made high at the level of 16,901, and it closed at the level of 16,713 on the last trading day, that is on Friday. So, according to me, the Malaysian palm oil is also expected to show some profit booking on Monday, that is on 7th September 2020, and the expected levels can be 16,690 and 16,581, and we can put stop loss at the level of 16,810. So friends, in this video I have discussed about the very important vegetable oil commodity that is palm oil, and I have discussed about the MCX levels as well as the Malaysian palm oil levels also for domestic as well as for the international traders. Also friends, you can watch our videos which we have uploaded on different agro commodities, that includes gram, that is chana, turmeric, guar seed, as well as different pulses, and mustard oil and mustard seeds also at our YouTube channel. You can find their link in the descriptions also, and you can also comment, and you can also tell us through by commenting that which particular commodity or stocks or currency you want our analysis. And also you can, if you like our video, you can put hit the like button and subscribe our channel so that you can get timely notification whenever we upload new video. Also, we on a daily basis we upload different videos, not only on the agro commodities but also on Indian stock market as well as international stock markets, that includes American stock markets, European stock markets, and other Asian stock markets. And also we put our analysis on different non-agri commodities also, that includes bullion, crude oil, and extra. So keep watching our videos and keep liking and subscribing our channel. Thank you and good day.